Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this video, we are going to go through Canadian computing competition problems. Let's take a look at our problem here. So, problem J1, telemarketer or not. Okay, so here's the problem description. Here at the Concerned Citizens of Commerce, CCC, okay, so we have noted that telemarketers like to use 7-digit phone numbers where the last 4 digits have 3 properties. Looking just at the last 4 digits, these properties are: the first of these 4 digits is an 8 or 9. The last digit is an 8 or 9, okay? And the second and the third digits are the same, right? So for example, if the last 4 digits of the phone number are 8229, 8338, or 9008, these are telemarketer numbers. All right, so there are some logics, some patterns that describes there. So continue. Write a program to decide if a phone number is a telemarketer number or not, based on the last 4 digits. All right, so if the number is not a telemarketer number, we should answer the phone, and otherwise we should ignore it. All right, so we're gonna write Python program based on this logic. So based on that logic, so that we will determine a phone number is telemarketer or not, and we are going to make decisions based on that. Okay, so the input specification. So the input will be 4 lines where each line contains exactly 1 digit in the range from 0 to 9. So just 4 lines, each line 1 digit, the number from 0 to 9, okay? And output either ignore if the number matches the pattern for telemarketer number, otherwise output answer. Okay, the output as ignore if the pattern matches, or answer if the pattern does not match that. All right, so example input 9668, that's ignore because it fits the pattern, right? So 8 or 9, and it's the same. Okay, so let's go back to this if we remembered well. So the first of these 4 digits is an 8 or 9. The last digit is an 8 or 9. Okay. Good. So the first digit, last digit, the second digit is both 6. Okay. So again, input number 2, 5668. Answer, because it's 5, it's not 8 or 9. All right, so now I'm going to pause here for a few seconds to let you take a look at the logic and then try to solve that by yourself before we take a look at the answer. Okay, so here's the logic, here's the requirement. It's not complicated, and let's take a look at the answer we have here. So we got the inputs, okay, digit 1, 2, 3, 4, reading the inputs and turn this into the integer, okay, convert this to integer, and then check numbers match the telemarketer pattern. All right, so if digit 1 equals to 8, or digit 1 equals to 9, okay, and digit 4 equals to 8, or digit 4 equals to 9. So that's the logic, right? So 8 or 9 for 1 and 4. And digit 2 equals digit 3, okay? So those 2 are the same. That logic matches the telemarketer pattern. We're going to print ignore, else print answer. Okay? So it's very easy to solve this problem. And the knowledge we need from Python here is the input, okay, int there. So that's basically transform the input from a string to integer. and we need to know the if else statement, as well as there is the logic equations there. So we need to know how to use or and combinations. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.